Well, the little bit of Bondo that has been needed has been laid down. You see it right there. And all the way there. And up and around this corner and down that side there. I am not going to bother to video this. Most I'm going to do is take some still photos and splice them into a little short video as to it getting done, and then the next coat of primer, and then the paint, which I have to either pick up this evening or tomorrow. And then, because I'm starting on the hardest side, because it's got the most Bondo work to it, and we will finish up on the driver's side, I'm guessing tomorrow. So it's wonderful having a post in the middle of what you're doing. So that's it for now. Let us get started. Okay, that's it. It's done, both sides. Is it perfect? No. I can find flaws all over it. But is there rust holes and rust hanging down and all that like there was before? No. So this is absolutely an improvement. So my biggest problem is getting down low to do the sanding and stuff down there on the floor. Even though I've got it up on ramps, it's not high enough. With my back problems, it was a struggle. So, but either way, that's how it looks. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen, and hopefully I will have better luck with this and figuring out ways to get it up higher than it is now, so that I can work down on the lower sections. I might build blocks to go up underneath the wheels to raise it up, but there's so much work that's got to be done to this. The rear suspension's got to be reworked, and oh my, there's just a whole lot. But either way, that's the video for today. This one will be segmented into a whole lot of different things, which you've already seen, because this is now the end of the video. So, treat people like you want to be treated. Have a wonderful day. It's Sunday. God bless. Bye.